Hey guys, in this video, I'll be talking about how food is digested. When you eat, your digestive system breaks down your food. Digestion breaks large food molecules such as fats, carbohydrates, and proteins into molecules small enough to be absorbed into the bloodstream. These smaller molecules are also called nutrients. The bloodstream delivers these nutrients to your cells along with oxygen from the air in your lungs. Your cells use this oxygen to convert the chemical energy in the nutrients into energy that cells can use for their activities. In this process, your cells also generate carbon dioxide, heat, and water. The digestion begins when food enters the mouth. The mouth can break down the food by chewing or using saliva to break it down with enzymes. When you swallow, pieces of food from the mouth move down to the esophagus. The esophagus doesn't break down the food, it just brings the food to the stomach. The stomach breaks down food by using acid, mucus, and enzymes that come from the lining of the stomach. The stomach also helps digest by using certain muscles to squeeze the food and mix it with the acid. The food also spends about 2 to 6 hours in the stomach and is broken down into large molecules such as fats, carbs, and proteins. Now, let's move into the small intestine. The small intestine is where the most chemical digestion takes place. Enzymes and other substances help break down large food molecules into molecules small enough to be absorbed into the bloodstream. Carbohydrates are broken down into monosaccharides, and fats are broken down into fatty acids. Proteins are broken down into amino acids. The pancreas and liver produce enzymes, bile, and buffers that help break down the food in the small intestine. Bile is an acid that breaks down fat, while buffers are liquids to help maintain the average pH scale of the small intestine. Food molecules that are not broken down, like fiber, move to the large intestine. After food is digested, the remains, also known as feces, move through the large intestine and are eliminated from the body. Nutrients like monosaccharides, fatty acids, and amino acids are small enough to be absorbed from the small intestine into the bloodstream. The bloodstream delivers the nutrients along with oxygen from the lungs to the cells throughout the body. Both nutrients and oxygen enter the cells from the bloodstream. Once inside the cells, they are used to produce ATP in a series of reactions called cellular respiration. Many nutrients are also used to build cellular structures or other molecules like enzymes. Cellular respiration also produces carbon dioxide, water, and heat. Cells use the nutrients shown in two main ways: to get energy immediately using cellular respiration, or to build and store larger molecules which may be used for energy later. All the chemical reactions involved in these processes are part of the body's metabolism. The red arrows are catabolic reactions, which break down molecules, and the blue arrows are anabolic reactions, which build larger molecules. Cells use nutrients to get energy through cellular respiration. When catabolic reactions break down nutrients even smaller, the chemical energy in the nutrients forms ATP. Cellular respiration includes glycolysis, pyruvate, oxidation, citric acid cycles, and electron transport trains. If the cell has enough ATP, it stops breaking down nutrients for energy. Instead, it builds larger energy storage molecules. Triglycerides are made of fatty acids, glycogen is made of monosaccharides, and proteins are made of amino acids. If you have not eaten for several hours, your cells may not have enough nutrients to use for energy. Your body may break down storage molecules back down to nutrients to use. Then they get delivered through the bloodstream to all the cells. Thanks for watching my video and happy late New Year's.